sharing cultural and religious bonding with Bhutan, Nepal, Sikkim and Tibet. The Darjeeling Hills are dotted with temples and monasteries belonging to the various sects of Buddhism. Not all monasteries are large or elaborately built. While some are architecturally grand, others are humble.
Situated at an altitude of 8,000 feet, the Ghum Monastery, also known as the Samten Choling Monastery, is one of the better known monasteries in Darjeeling. Said to have been built in 1875 by Lama Sherab Gyatso, it is famous for its 15-foot tall Maitreya Buddha, which means the future Buddha. The monastery also have a laudable collection of Buddhist texts, and this monastery boasts about collection of rare Buddhist books.
On the top of the observatory hill, the Mahakal temple stands as a magnanimous and historical edifice at the place where a Buddhist monastery by the name of Dorje Ling once stood. Bells and hundreds of colorful prayer flags hung all over the shrine continuously narrate the presence of holiness in the air of the surrounding. Mahakal temple is a witness to a beautiful amalgamation of Hindu and Buddhist cultures, where one can hear the magical sound of prayers chanted by Hindu priests and lines from Buddhist holy scriptures read by Buddhist monks, both harmoniously coexisting together. The gold-plated idols of Brahma, Vishnu and Maheshwar soothes worried eyes of devotees, heals the mind and cheers up the mood. Several small temples are located around this main temple, which is dedicated to Lord Hanuman, Ganesh and Durga. Tashi Dargyaling or Tamang Monastery is a small but nice monastery in Darjeeling city, very near to the Darjeeling rail station below Chowk Bazaar. It is one of the oldest monastery in Darjeeling town. One can discover the essence of Buddhist spirituality here amidst all the silence. The main attraction of this monastery is the lively and ever-smiling statue of Guru Padmasambhava, known as the second Buddha. You may spend an hour meditating here. Originally located at the Observatory Hill, where the Mahakal temple stands today, the Bhutia Basti or Karma Dorji Choling monastery was shifted to the present location in 1871 after the Gorkha demolished the original building in 1851 invasion. The monastery belongs to the Red Hat sect of Buddhists and has links with the Kagyu and Nyingma orders of Tibetan Buddhism. Set against the mighty Kanchenjunga, Bhutia Basti Gompa is home to stunning murals that depict the life and journey of Buddha. And currently holds the original copy of the famous Tibetan Book of the Dead. Spending some time listening to the evening chant of Buddhist monks calms the soul.